Zach, just looking out, I've noticed we have some friends in the audience. You guys, we have friends on stage, and so I'm a little afraid that tonight some friendships are gonna get broken.
You are here at Versus, the only show that has ever mattered in the history of shows. I feel the spirit of science in this room tonight. Guys, here's what you can expect besides me yakking. This is gonna be 2 teams, 2 topics, and 1 winner decided by you, our sweet audience. Never in the history of your lives have you ever had more power than you do tonight. We are going to hear arguments from both sides from professional scientific hype men who are joined by extra professional experts in the field, and you get to vote on the winner. Who argued their point better?
Obviously, I'm repping Dinosaurs.
By far, thank you. By far the best of the 2 teams. Yeah.
Well, that's why we're here. We're gonna figure that out.
I looked at rats. Rats have been trained to do like hundreds of different jobs, right? Saving people's lives countless times. And they're pets, right? We even eat them as food. That was a weird segue, and I hear it now.
Like microorganisms, like blood vessels, like sperm. You like sperm, Zach? If it wasn't for microscopes, sure, we wouldn't know about sperm.
Give it up for sperm! Woo! We want you to vote not for your favorite, we want you to vote for the one that kicked ass! So, yeah, woo! That's right, friend!
You always know when a rat ejaculates because he throws his arms up in the air. Just wait, right? Oh yeah, right there. Right there.
Each one of you is going to take a moment, you're going to tell a joke to the other one. The other one has to keep a game face on at all times. If the other one breaks while you're telling that joke, then that means that you get a point. Look Zach deep in the eye and give this joke.
Zach, you ready? What do health-conscious vampires drink at the bar?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has come. Everyone make sure that we're flanking in a nice V position like geese. Good. All right. We have the scale of truth that is definitely very, very accurate.
Super scientific right here.
Super.
It's not a toy from the store.
Zach and Dustin, I need you to pour into the scale. And the winner is Bryce! All right, give it up for Team Pigeon! All right, ladies and gentlemen, what a delight. You guys are amazing. My name is Meg Pierson, and you guys are the audience. Have a great night. And as Yo Gotti says, and as I tell all my hoes, break it up. All right, good night.